Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Nokia 5710 Express audio mobile phone, and in this video I will show you how to connect these earbuds or how to pair these earbuds with the phone. Okay, so in the first step you have to take them out. So I will take them out one by one. So here is the first one and here is the second one. Okay, now what I will do, in the phone I will go inside the menu. So once you enter into the menu, you have to scroll down and you see this earbuds icon. Okay, so you can see it's written here earbuds. So just select it by pressing this middle button. Okay, so once you enter into the earbuds option, the very first option over here, it says TWS connect, and currently it is disconnected. So you have to select this option by pressing this middle button. Once you press it, the very first option over here, it says TWS connect, and currently it is disabled. So you have to enable it by pressing this middle button again. Okay, so now it is enabled, so you can see over here. So this is the first step. The second step is you have to select this option of device found. Okay, just select it. Once you select it, here it will show you Nokia Express audio earbuds available, and here it show you a small cut sign like this. So you have to press this button underneath this cut sign. So press this button, the top button, just select it. Once you select it, here it will give you a new option of pair. Now you have to select this pair option by pressing this middle button. So press the middle button and here it start pairing. It will take a moment to pair and it says connecting. So now it will show you connected audio switch to this accessory. You have to press OK. So you have to press this middle button. So guys, everything is done now. You have to go back 2 steps. So you have to press this button, okay, 2 times. 1, 2. So once you come in this section, you see the wireless earbuds with the green color battery signs over here, left and right. And here it says TWS connect connected. So now the earbuds are connected. You can use these earbuds. Now you can open any file, any music file, any audio file or radio, and you can play it, okay, and it will play into your earbuds. Okay, the next thing that I want to mention here is how to use these earbuds. Okay, so if you tap them one time, it will play or pause. Okay, and if you tap on it on the back side like this, if you tap it 2 times, okay, it will play the next audio. Okay, one more thing I want to mention here is in this phone you also have the earbuds anti-lost option. So you go into the menu. Once you enter into the menu, again select this earbuds. Okay, once you enter here, you see the second option, it says anti-lost. So if you select it and then again if you press this middle button, so what it will do, it will turn on red light, blinking red light like this. Okay, blue and red light. So it will help you to find the earbuds. Okay, on both of the earbuds you can see the light is now blinking. Okay, so it will help you to find, to locate the earbuds. So this is for the anti-lost option. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.